How to log into Costco Citi Card account. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily log into your Costco Citi Card online account. First thing you have to do is simply open up your web browser or the application if you have it. And once you open up the app or the website, you can see the login page. So once you're on the home page, you'll find the sign on button at the top right corner of your screen, right besides the how we can help. Then just tap on the sign on button and you'll be redirected to the sign in portal for Costco Citi Card online. Here, all you have to do is provide your user ID. And then from here, all you need to do is just enter the password that you've set. And if you want the browser to remember your user ID so that you don't have to enter it every time you log in, then you can just check this box right here. And in case you've forgotten your user ID or password, you can tap on the buttons below that says forgot user ID or forgot password to recover your ID. Now here you're just going to have to provide some of your information to recover your ID, like your card number or your date of birth, or even your email or phone number. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically log into the Costco Citi Card online account. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.